Beautiful home gardens add a vivid visual appeal to the various forms of foliage. Contrasting colors, complementing textures, and working with layers all bring your garden beauty to life. This kind of garden design adds the best interest in the prime spots of your home, such as the front corners of the yard, along the drive or walkways, and immediately in front of the house. Let's explore 10 perennials with stunning foliage that utilize bright and contrasting colors. Welcome to the House Talks channel. I hope you are enjoying the content of this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video. If you are interested in home interior and gardening, please subscribe to the House Talks channel. There will be new videos every week. Ascot Rainbow Euphorbia. This is a unique variegated foliage. It is a perennial plant with great ornamental value. POWIS Artemisia, otherwise known as POWIS wormwood. This is a woody perennial with soft silverish gray foliage. It's an excellent background plant for bright flowers or to be mixed in amongst green plants for contrast. Lamb's ears. This is a wonderful evergreen perennial, mostly grown for its silvery, tongue-shaped leaves, and brings interest to the borders. Pink-purple flower spikes appear in late spring or early summer. Colocasia esculenta. Otherwise known as black magic or elephant ears, this dark purple plant is a new variety of popular and well-known colocasias. This is a great ornamental perennial plant to add contrasting color to the front yard gardening area. Autumn Joy Stonecrop. This is a popular upright variety of stonecrop. It blooms in late summer to fall, with tiny pink star-shaped flowers that grow in clusters. The flowers gradually change in color to a deep rose. Dusty Miller. This plant is an interesting landscape addition, grown for its silvery gray foliage. The lacy leaves of this plant are attractive companions for many blooms in the garden. It is best fit for bordering areas in narrow spaces, such as the mailbox area or corner spots. Coral bells, also known as HEUCHERAS. These are shade perennials famous primarily for their beautiful, robust foliage. Coral bells are a great low-maintenance option for landscape beds and container gardens. Hostas. These plants provide lush foliage gardens, but they are also easy to take care of. Hosta plants can make any shady garden stand out with their leafy color and texture. Purple Heart. This is a beautiful burgundy foliage, best for bordering areas. It is a drought-tolerant and low-maintenance perennial plant and is easy to propagate. It blooms pink flowers in summer and prefers sunlight or partial shade. Black Mondo grass. This brings stunning contrast to the front of the border with exceptionally dense, purple-black, grass-like foliage. This produces dark lavender flowers in the summer.